In 2020, starting into, or rather coming into disastrous time of COVID-19, by the moment, trucks, they were blocked from traveling. Trucks, they could transport firewood, charcoal from far away places, bringing them into Kampala. Even the rate at which waste management it was controlled, it was a little bit disappointing because there were no more trucks to transport the solid waste. We came out with the agenda of how we can come out with something that can act as alternative source of energy. We sat down, we are 3 members, we made research via internet, sort of that. We use the digital space and how we can come out with alternative source of waste, of energy. We have collaborated with a few organizations, and to mention, we have acted together in partnership with National Slum Dwellers Organization, and we have partnered with KCCA for capacity building. Then lastly, partnership with Plan International, Balisekka Madda group. It is a group that is started in 2020, and it has a total number of members, 35. On them we have 20 they are ladies, then 15 they are males. While we initiated this group, we sat down and we saw it warrant for us to come out with a developmental idea that can as well help the community, but we are gaining profitably from it. There is indiscriminate disposal of solid waste. We have organic waste and inorganic waste. Plastics, they block the drainage systems, hindering the passage of water, creating flooding to the communities. And we saw it that we can sit down and we turn the environmental burdens into a sustainable livelihood benefit by turning them into solid waste and into venturing in plastic 2 R's. There is reduce and reuse. We have 3 main processes of our briquettes production. Firstly, we have primary process of gathering the resources to use. Then the second process is to do carbonization. Then after that, we use a uniform mixing of our ingredients. And to mention them, we have the char. They are the black stuff after carbonization process. Our peels that we dried, we carbonize them to get that black stuff. Molasses, it is a lighting agent. Then we have clay. We also mix clay during that process. After seeing that it's ready, then that process takes us to the last process of drying them. In drying them, we take them to our production shed. We measure our briquettes in kilograms. 1 metric ton, it can decrease the rate at which carbon emission is done. And the percentage of it is 0.08 rate. The mamas who usually given money to do the domestic expenses, they can like save 4,000, meaning a week someone can save a side money from it. That is first. Second, our briquettes, they are dustless and smokeless. meaning that they cannot produce soot which can pollute out air, and they have a burning density of 5 to 6 hours while combustion. My little advice to the youth and the general public in particular would be, everyone is a potential solution to this cause, because if everyone has given attention to it, we can foster it and we can come out with something very unique that can spur development but cannot frustrate out the environment. So the population of like Bwaise III, we have like 18,000 total of people. If everyone is assigned to collecting like a single piece, we can overcome the rate at which plastic is disposed in our communities.